that is our Sunday. That's the vlog for today. We're just kind of weathering the storm. There's a huge blizzard, as you can see, rolling through right now, and there's even thunder with it. So we have thunder, snow, and lightning. It's pretty crazy. You know that moment when they come inside and their cheeks are just rosy? Like, I mean, come on. Is that not adorable? That's kind of it for today. Just kind of hanging out, not really going anywhere. The roads, I guess, are really bad out there. Just hanging out. Maureen's at work. Those two clowns are still outside playing. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. He's gonna have a little bit of milk. We're gonna cuddle up, watch a movie, relax by the fire a little bit. And then I gotta get some work done. And yeah, I mean, that's it for Sunday. There's Elliott. We'll see you tomorrow.